Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a realistic cosmetic tube mockup in Photoshop. Let's get right into it. First, right-click on your background layer and select Duplicate Layer, or you can just press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to do it instantly. Let's rename this new layer Tube and hit OK. Next, grab the Object Selection tool from your toolbar and select the tube. If the selection isn't perfect, don't worry, grab the Quick Selection tool from your toolbar and select the tube. Just hold down the Shift key and drag over any areas you missed to add them to the selection. Once it looks good, click the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. You can hide the background layer now to see that our tube is perfectly separated. Right-click your tube layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now grab the rectangle tool and draw a box right over the tube. Go up to your Properties panel, change the fill color to something bright like yellow so it's easy to see, and set the stroke to none. Right-click this new shape layer and convert it into a smart object as well. To see what we're doing, let's temporarily lower the layer opacity to 60%. Press Ctrl+T to transform. Hold down the Control key and drag each corner to align the shape with the edges of the tube. To make it fit the curved surface perfectly, right-click and select Warp, then smoothly adjust the mesh to match the shape of the tube. Once it fits nicely, right-click the shape layer and select Create Clipping Mask so it snaps directly onto the tube. Now, bring the opacity back up to 100%. Double-click the thumbnail icon of your shape layer to open the Smart Object tab. This is where you place your actual design. Import your artwork, adjust the size, and Pro tip: if your design has a background color, you can change the shape's color here to match it perfectly. And save it by pressing Ctrl+S. Close that tab and head back to your main document. In the Layers panel, change the blending mode of your design layer to Multiply. To make it look 100% realistic, we need the natural highlights and shadows to show through. Double-click the right side of your design layer to open the Layer Style menu. Go down to the Blend If section at the bottom, hold down the Alt key to split the sliders, and adjust them to blend the lights and shades smoothly. Hit OK and you're done. Super easy, right? If you want to see more quick tutorials just like this, make sure to show some support, hit that like button, follow for more, and share this around. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and happy designing.